Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's really hot today. I need something tropical and refreshing to cool me down, and I think I found one. I think you're going to like this one. It's called Tropic Like It's Hot. So let's get pouring. We are going to start and put in there 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to follow that up. 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. A little bit of sweetener, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. One of our favorites, KAH Tequila. We're going to put a full 2 ounces in there. It smells warm and refreshing already. Our last couple of ingredients are actually bitters. It's kind of like the salt and pepper to a cocktail, and we're going to put in there 2 dashes, first off, orange bitters. Last but not least, 1 dash of Angostura aromatic bitters. We are going to now ice up that tin. And we're going to give this a good shake and chill it down. Smells like the tropics. Let's put some ice in our Collins glass. And put that about 3/4 of the way in there. Make a little mess while you're at it. Get everything out of the way. I am going to take my strainer and work on filling that glass up. A little bit more ice in there, top that off. We're going to garnish this off with a slice of pineapple and a piece of cherry. Put a straw in there. And then the last thing is to go find somebody you'd like to share a tropical drink with.
Yes, I'm testing this.
Testing it.
Oh, that's an easy sipping drink.
There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers,
it's
folks.
So good.